which you have done.
Oh. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning. Good morning. Rumpy Rumpy. Hi Rumpy. Hi Mommy Bookie. Hi Ozzy Bookie. Big 4-year-old. Huh? Big 4-year-old. Boom it. Alright, big 4-year-old. 17-year-old liquid. So guys, happy Independence Day, Jamaica. Happy Independence Day to all Jamaicans wherever you are in the world, diaspora. You know, say, we know special to we, you know, and I guess we are special to you because we give you guys that little insight, that little inroad into what is happening in Jamaica on a week-to-week basis. I'm gonna try my best to go down to the Grand Gala, even though it's gonna be crazy. It's completely sold out. So you know, say in excess of 30,000, probably 40,000 people are going to be at the stadium today. But I gotta try my best, hustle and bustle myself into the crowd and see if I can get some footage. Tessie is gonna be performing and a few of her voice box kids. So that's a special line item that I look forward to. Whole heap of niceness, you know it go Grand Gala every year. Things plan. So let's see how we can work it out. I didn't have no ticket. I'm working off of faith. Okay? Faith. So guys, this is what dedication look like. Time to wake up at the crack of dawn to make sure they get to know little surprise video.
It's not a long one. So it's, you know, we're making it work.
Yeah, but you know.
Yeah.
You promised to deliver.
Yes, and this is what dedication looks like. Vlogging so that I can edit.
That is it.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Okay, no.
Facts. Alright guys, so we are just getting ready to go and have some dim sum with the whole family. Gio is driving as well. Momo is here, baby is here. Mrs. Mitch is coming as well as Alex. We're just gonna go have a little celebration. We'll talk more about it later. Hi, Alex. Hi, Mumsy. What's up? Congrats. Thank you. And congrats to you. The whole gang's here. Today so far. Just a regular sperry one. Try and catch my baby hair soup, okay? I did that. Okay?
No man, she too sweet today, man. She no man.
She's a big woman. Oh, okay. Sorry, miss.
Yeah, she's like, don't touch me. She don't want nobody to touch her. I'm a hot girl.
Man, you fall off of the chair. Yeah, when I first put her in this chair, she could barely even keep herself. And now look at
relax
her.
now. Look at that.
Big one. Tastes goody. Yummy.
That's over there in our life, Tami.
I feed little kitties. I feed little kitties.
Alright guys, we are back home now. Ozzy Bean is fast asleep. And Ivy is about to go down. Every time we eat this dim sum, because of the time of day it is, every time we always feel like after. But we do have some exciting things to catch up on. As you guys saw from our surprise video yesterday, Wayne got some very exciting news today. And we just want to share some of that excitement. I think he's still processing the whole thing, and I think we all are. And yeah, very proud of him. Very proud of him. I'm very happy. So let's see.
It's the entertainment section.
Mommy is taking us through the proceedings.
So it's my first time. I haven't seen the
Physical?
announcement, the official printed
In the
announcement
Sunday
of the
newspaper,
list of awardees.
that is in the business section. I haven't seen that one yet.
Okay, so you just seen it for the first time?
The full list, yes.
A prouder mommy cannot find than this mommy right here. Okay,
Indeed, I'm proud. Yes,
Full
and this
list,
is the
yeah.
full list now. The OJ,
Okay.
yeah, from the music industry, Marcia Griffith gets an upgrade to the Order of Jamaica,
Yeah, nice.
and this is the Order of the Station, rank of Commander. Okay. Very much for
Okay,
Mitchell.
see you there, man.
A contribution to the field of entertainment, in particular reggae music.
Look here, no man.
But I tell you, I just regret that day when I was saying you're not going to do no music.
Look at
I have to regret expressing my concern about that.
No, you don't have to regret it.
To be
I
honest,
guess not.
Yeah.
once you guys got behind me, with
Yes,
the full
yes. I
with
think
the full push,
yeah.
and that's what counts.
Yeah.
Once we committed and said, okay, we're going on.
That
the show.
had to happen because we realized that it was what you wanted to do, and nothing was going to get in the way. And so we just
Awesome.
wanted to make sure that you did it with a level of excellence, which you have done.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, you see her when she coming down after high, she cried. She
Yes,
got through the whole
yes, it's
Yeah.
gamut of
exciting, man.
emotions.
Overwhelmed with all
Of
kinds of
course.
emotions.
It
And then the
is.
interview, this was
Okay,
This
so-
was a Gleaner interview.
So I said something here.
Yes,
Okay, let
yes.
me find.
I'm beyond proud and really excited to receive this award, said the Meet the Mitchells patriarch, whose given name is Wayne Mitchell. It feels good that through my work that I've put in over the last 20-something years, it's 25 years, the country has showed me this type of recognition. The OD may be conferred upon one who renders outstanding and important services to Jamaica. Marshall said he's especially proud to have his children witness his induction. It is awesome for them, my children, to see me receive this type of national award because I think it gives them a drive and a determination. It also makes it a reality for them to see their father achieve something like this. I think it brings it into the realm of possibility for them to achieve one day, and I think it will drive them to want to achieve these heights, he said. So it is a great moment. You think me happy and proud? You should have heard your brother.
Almost time, Ozzy.
You should
That's
hear your
almost.
brother. He can't be more excited and proud of you.
And I just can't help but think how much Daddy would be so proud. Can you
I mean,
imagine?
that's what always
I
brings me
can't
to tears,
stop
you know.
thinking about how this would have just
That
bowled
is what
him
always
over.
brings me to tears, yes, 'cause I never
Yeah.
forget him being the one who said, look, you want to do it, but look, don't go halfway.
Wow.
You need to go the full way. You need to do the best you can.
Yeah.
He was the one who kept saying that all
Yeah.
along, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
we're
that
proud,
really,
Wayne.
really gives me some pain.
I am happy.
Yeah.
Some pain.
When we told Momo, she was so proud too, and
Yes.
And
Yes.
Gia is coming behind this away.
that's right.
Oh, my
And I
gosh.
think Atlas love music.
You think so?
Yes.
I think he's singing a lot.
Yeah.
Like,
is so vocal already.
Yeah.
You know?
In whatever
be
field.
singing.
Yeah.
In whatever field.
She
you
meant
decide
that they're following
to
the
do
music, yeah.
But that's why I mentioned
Yes,
Jackson in whatever
yes,
field.
yes.
That he
But
decides
you're
to-
right, like this made it a possibility. Like, you know,
Yeah.
when you see somebody close by, I mean, this is the closest I've ever seen in my
Yeah.
family.
Yeah.
So when you see that now, the next generation, it becomes easier for them.
Exactly.
And they go, well, that's a natural next step. And if I work hard, this will be a reality. Careful, Baba.
Today is going to be a day filled with gratitude for me.
Yeah.
And I'm
True.
sure the phone don't stop ringing.
Yeah.
And the WhatsApp
Yeah.
messages keep coming through.
Yeah.
For the
And
whole
even
day.
on our video that we put out
Earlier.
on thing there on
Yeah,
Meet the
MTN
Mitchells,
family
they're
so
just so happy.
Can you imagine?
And sending a lot of congrats and love, which is all that matters to us. The people who know us, love us, who are in our corner, who watch the growth, who watch the journey. Those are the people who we have ears for,
Yes.
you know?
Yes, indeed.
And we appreciate their
I hope
congratulations.
the younger head follow.
Yeah,
Younger head come in.
yeah, yeah.
And having said all of that, I only have one wish for the day, is that every time Tami sees me, addresses me, she curtsy for the week and address me by my full.
Look here.
New
Look here.
official.
That's his early days for that, you know.
We're gonna need more than an OD for that. Mr.
Have
Mitchell.
a little stretch now before the official part of it.
Jesus, exactly. Hey, oh, Jesus. I better practice my curtsy.
King's house. King's house.
I can't, man. That's funny. Mr. Odie, what an excitement.
Mr. Overdo.
Ah!
You know what daddy's name is?
Wayne Mitchell.
O.D.
Anybody know the OD stand for?
Order of distinction.
Order of distinction.
Order of distinction. What is?
Anyway, Ozzy is asleep, Ivy is asleep, Gio is asleep. Let's get these guys to the little thing and come back. A lot of people say, how come you don't take Ivy and Ozzy? Well, because
They're always
it
asleep.
complicates everything.
Well, we just took them out, so nobody can
but
vex.
meaning how we never take them to a country, but that was a whole other thing.
Yeah.
Then we'd have to drive 2 cars. Then we'd have to
Yeah.
But you know, until you have kids that age,
Yeah.
it's rough, man. Trust
I can
me.
understand. I mean, you can manage the older one.
The older ones are a lot easier, so I'm gonna take them for this on the water. You know, I get jiggy around the water. All right.
Please remain standing for the national anthem, led by award-winning songbird Ms. Keshan Chen.
Guide us with thy mighty hand. Jamaica land we love. Jamaica land we love.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Jamaica is now officially 61 years old.
Ice Banner performed the now festival song winner. I was just reminding Tami and Gia them when Glory to God came out in 2018. Remember that, Tami? I'm a performer on Grand Gala. The song just come out about a month or so, month and a little bit. And me I tell you, say, when we sing it in a stadium, listen me man, goosebumps right through. It's one of those performances where it's like, yo, something come over the place, man. Memorable, man, I tell you. Yeah, that was a night to remember for me, especially with that song just coming out. It was so fresh, but it was creating a big buzz in Jamaica at the time.
Beer phone light.
Beer phone light. You remember that, Gia? Beer phone light. Yeah, man.
How many people do you think fit in the stadium for this year?
30,000. 30,000 at the stadium right now, and them have
That's a lot of
arena open as well. That's a lot of pressure.
Yeah, but when you say, oh, Tessie angle the triangle.
Tessie angle it in a man. And listen, let me tell you something, people. Singing the anthem a cappella is not no boy thing. It's not no baby thing. You understand?
And a boy business that.
Singing the anthem a cappella is like, yeah. And Tessie said that's how she want to do it. You know, want a track. And I if you tell me, say, yo, in a spiritual energy in the stadium, you see? Yeah, no, man, no. I feel it through the TV. And big up I if you forget the footage from me. That was exclusive. Right on the stage footage we get. Yeah. So they are going to soak up the Grand Gala vibration, the energy. You know what I'm saying? Independence Day. No better way to celebrate it than with the Grand Gala and watching the performances. And I think Morgan Heritage is going to get honored tonight like a legend award type of thing. And they deserve it. They've been doing it. Yeah, man. Big up Dane, right? The original father. Original father Abraham. You have boy, girl, everything. Jamaica is the blood and V's and gold, that green and gold. Bad tune. The one Iceman singing.
Slash your name, right?
Slash Iceman, me know him as. Remember, say we are OG. We are OD.
Awesome.
Why? Bye.